Hello everyone, this is Alvin. Today I'm going to introduce this level 10 Titanium Limited Edition. This product is with limited quantity. For globally, there's 500 pieces only, and the MSRP is $999. And this product is very unique. Why? Because it's a collaboration between Thermaltake and the BMW Group. So it's a very unique design. You cannot find out anything similar like this one. For the product feature, you can see all these modular components placed is separately. For this cage, each of the cage can improve providing the better cooling performance for the components, and it can support. Like here, you can see it can support USB 3.0, and they can support up to 6 HDD and SSD, 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch. For this year, we do some little bit modify about the CPU space. We increase more room for the CPU cooler, so now it can support up to 160mm coolers. This product, as I say, is very unique and it's very creative. Thank you.